the 2006 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, five-passenger truck just recently passed the 50,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 4-liter six-cylinder engine. The following features are included: front bucket seats, power door mirrors, and a split folding rear seat. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. We'd love to show you this vehicle in person. Call to schedule a test drive today.